Good morning children. Today we are going to learn chapter 12 multiplication and division of decimals. So earlier we have learned in chapter 11 about decimals concept like adding and subtracting, right? Now today we are going to learn this multiplication and division. See here they have given an example like in method 1 2.5 into 3. Multiplication we know that a repeated addition, right? 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. So how many times we have done? 3 times. We have added 3 times. So our answer is 7.5. So 2.5 into 3 is equal to 7.5. Now in the second example 3.15 into 2. That means we are trying to add here 2 times 3.15 plus 3.15. So our answer is 6.30. So 3.15 into 2 is equal to 6.30. Here what we have observed in these two examples, see multiplicand has only one decimal place here. So the product also will have one decimal place ultimately. Like this, see, right? Likewise in the second example, see multiplicand has two decimal places and the product also will have two decimal places ultimately. See here, got it? So in general, if the multiplicand has n decimal places where n is a natural number, then the product will also have n decimal places. Likewise, we shall see the second method. Now, in the second method, see 2.5 into 3. In the step 1, commonly actually what we do is, we will multiply it as a whole number. That is 25 into 3 is equal to how much? 75. So, place the decimal point in the product. Product means answer, depending on the multiplicand. So, depending on the multiplicand means here how many places are there in the question? Only one place is there after the decimal point. So, here we have to put only decimal point after one decimal place. That means before one decimal place we are putting the point, decimal point. Okay. Likewise for the second and the third examples. See, you see the third example here, 7.05 into 21 is there. So, if we multiply it as a whole number, 705 into 21, then our answer will be 14,805. How we will put the decimal point? See here, insert the decimal point after two decimal places. In the question itself, we have the point before two decimal places, right? 1 and 2. Here point is there. So likewise even in our answer 14,805 we have to put from our right to left. Before two decimal places put the decimal point. That means our answer will be 148.05. Okay. Now multiplication of decimals by 10, 100 and 1000. We shall see how it is. Now remember here, when we multiply a number, the product is more than the multiplicand. For example, 3.75 into 10. Then our answer will be 3750. Okay, that means 3750. Now here decimal places, how many are there in the question? After the decimal point, two decimal places are there. Now, for 3750, that is 3750, how we will put the decimal point? From the right we have to take two decimal places. See, from the right two decimal places, put the decimal point before this. Okay, before the two places, we kept the decimal point. That is 37.50 is our answer. Likewise, the second example, 13.89 into 10 is equal to 138.90, or else mind calculation, simply we can say add one 0 before this, then our answer will be 138.90. Now, did you observe that here you see 3.75 into 10 is equal to 37.5. Likewise, 13.89 into 10 is equal to 138.9. In each case, we see the decimal point has moved one place to the right. Otherwise, there is no change in the digits, right? So, in general, when we multiply a decimal by 10, the decimal point moves one place to the right, like this. And similarly, if a decimal is multiplied by 100, the decimal point moves two places to the right. And when we multiply by 1000, the decimal point moves to the right three places. Okay, see, for example, here 3.761 into 100. So, our answer is, when we multiply, see, our answer is 376.100. In the question, see, blindly if we remember, as a blunt remember how we will do in the question, after the decimal point, how many places are there? 3 places, right? 3 decimal places are there. So, we can, from right to left, we can count 3 decimal places and put the point before that. Our job is done here. Likewise, if you see the fifth bit, 3.0051 into 1000. Even here also, in the question, how many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 places. Decimal places are there 4. So, in the answer, we will put 4 places. Before that, we will put the decimal point from the right. See, now 3005 1000, right? Now, from our right hand side, you take, how many places are there in the question? 1, 2, 3, 4 places are there. So, even in the product, that means answer, count 4 places from your right. 1, 2, 3, 4 places. And put the decimal point before the 4th place. Right. So, now our answer will be 3005.1000. Okay. What we observed here, the decimal point has moved 3 places to the right hand side here. Right. Here we moved 3 places right side. Likewise, we shall see the next example. See here, able to see 7th bit. Here 2.3 into 100. And one more example they have given, 5.41 into 1000. We shall see now 2.3 into 100. Here question is 2.3 and into 100. So, it's difficult for us to multiply with the 100. What we have to do? In the sum, we have to add, there are no enough zeros. So, we are adding 2 more zeros here. After the decimal point, in the decimal places, after 3, we are adding 2 more zeros. So, then when we multiply 2.300 into 100, then our answer will become 230.0. Why we kept the point after this 0? Because see, in the question only one place is there, decimal place. So, in answer also we have to put the point before one place. Okay, now let us do it. Here 2.35 into 5. If you multiply this, see the answers here. 2.3 into 5. Our answer will be 11.5. Why we kept the point here? In the question is, how many places after the decimal point is there? After only one place. before one place from the right, the decimal point is there. So here our answer also we will take before one place we are putting the decimal point. Okay, so rest of the sums you can do it. I have given only the answers for you like this, you see. Now in the second question, see here, write the product without actually working it out. That means a bit 1.324 into 10. Without working out, we can put the 0 here in front of this. Number 4. Okay. After 4, we can add the 0 here. And then check the decimal places. See now, I will show you very clearly. See 1.324 into 10, if we multiply, see 0, 4, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 1, 0. Now 1 fours. Here in the second digit we are multiplying, right? So first put the 0 here and 1 fours are 4, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 ones are 1. Now our answer is 13,240. Don't put the point now. I will explain. See here in the question, after the decimal point, how many places are there altogether? 3 places. Decimal places are there 3. Now our answer is here 13,240. So if I remove this point, now our answer is 13,240. Right. Now we have to place the decimal point. How we will place? First we have to check. In the question, how many places are there after the point? 3 decimal places. Now you count from the answer right side. 1, 2, 3 places and put the point. Before this 2, this is the decimal point and these are the decimal places. So our answer is 13.240. Likewise, you do B, C, D, E, F bits. Now I am just showing the answers here. And C, D, F, I am not going to give you the answers. You do it on your own. It's quite simple.